today is the day that I cut my bangs. And if you guys are curious, this is why I'm cutting it. So let me just move my... I can't see anyone anymore. And when I do anything, it's literally like poking my eyes. So today is the day I cut or I trim my bangs. So here we go. But of course, before I do anything, I want to remind you guys, of course, to like, comment, and subscribe. Plus, don't forget to hit the notification button. It's right over there. Oh my gosh, I am genuinely so nervous. I have never cut my hair and I am so scared to mess this up. Good luck to me. Cross fingers. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to be following this YouTube video. By the way, you guys, when you do this, always remember you need to have the right tools. I don't think it would be ideal if you cut your bangs with like normal scissors. So luckily my mom actually studied how to cut hair, how to color hair, and how to put on makeup years ago. So she's complete. She has these edged ones. So she has one. She has two and three. As well as these scissors, so she has like this and this and this. Honestly, they all look the same to me. Just lightly tie this, nothing too tight. Okay. Okay, so another thing you will need that I forgot to bring out is a roller brush. So first, so she did this first. Okay, so she's grabbing the middle. If you're professional, if you know how to cut hair and you're watching this and I like just suck, please do not judge. So we put this on the side. She says to cut it little by little because it's dangerous to cut it all at once. No pulling of the hair, just literally like... Oh my god, I'm cutting my bangs. Okay, that's around the same area, right? Okay, so she is saying to cut it diagonally. So we part this one that we cut just now, and then you pick that up, and then you cut it diagonally. Oh my god, I don't even know if this is going to be cute after. Because I've seen my hairstylist do this. If she can do it, I think I can do it too. So, okay, let's do this first. Okay, I don't know if this will reach, but let's see how it looks. I am so afraid of what I just did. I think I messed this up. I mean, it's not bad. Like, I have bangs again, but I have to just do a little bit more here. I'm not saying that I'm going to be excited to do this again because this might be a fluke. Yeah, I did it! The bangs are back. Now let me just arrange them. So there you have it, you guys. If I can do it, you can do it too. I just cut my own bangs. So let me just show you. So there you have it. I cut my own bangs with the use of 2 scissors. So this one, the normal one, and the one that's like edged, which kind of like helped me part the bangs. Let me just use it. There you go, like that. My roller brush, so these are what you need, and my blow dryer. Well, and a hand mirror, because of course you'll need this when you trim it. There you have it, you guys. I just trimmed my bangs. Success! I was so afraid, but we made it happen. Thank you so much for staying till the end and watching my bangs trimming journey. And oh my gosh, I am honestly super surprised, but hey, I'm glad that it turned out well. So thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to hit that notification button right over here to make sure that you get notified whenever I have new videos. By the way, I just want to show you all. Ollie, come here. Okay, so Ollie just got a blow dry too because he just took a bath. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and until the next video.